7 Facts about taco. Tacos are a popular and delicious dish enjoyed by many around the world. Here are 7 interesting taco facts. 1. Origins of the taco. The exact origin of the taco is uncertain, but it is believed to have originated in Mexico. The word taco itself is derived from the Nahuatl language, spoken by the Aztecs, and it refers to a small, traditional dish made of tortillas filled with a variety of ingredients. 2. Tacos predate European arrival. Tacos existed long before the arrival of Europeans in the Americas. Indigenous peoples in Mexico were using tortillas as a form of bread and filling them with various meats, fish, and vegetables for centuries. 3. The first taco recipe. The first known published taco recipe appeared in a Mexican cookbook called El Cocinero Mexicano, The Mexican Chef, written by Alejandro Puga in 1831. This cookbook featured a recipe for tacos de minero, which were tacos filled with small pieces of fried beef. 4. National Taco Day. October 4th is celebrated as National Taco Day in the United States. It's a day to honor this beloved Mexican dish and indulge in various types of tacos. 5. Global taco variations. Tacos have become incredibly versatile, and different regions and cultures have put their own spin on this dish. For example, in Korea, there are Korean barbecue tacos, and in the Philippines, they have Taco Bell, or taco rice, a Filipino adaptation of the taco using rice instead of tortillas. 6. The biggest taco ever made. The largest taco ever made was created in Querétaro, Mexico, in 2003. It measured an astonishing 246 feet long and used 1,654 pounds of grilled steak, 880 pounds of onions, 2,200 pounds of tortillas, and 330 pounds of salsa. 7. Taco emoji. In 2015, the taco emoji was introduced to Unicode, allowing people to include a taco icon in their text messages and social media posts. It quickly became a popular emoji choice among food lovers. Whether you enjoy classic street-style tacos with carne asada, fish tacos with a tangy slaw, or vegetarian options with grilled veggies and guacamole, tacos continue to be a beloved and diverse culinary delight.